Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and as you can tell, I'm not really in my typical setup. I am in my bathroom right now, and I'm sorry if the lighting is a little off, you know. It's just, I don't want to dye my hair in my room right now, so I'm in my bathroom. And as you can tell today, I am wearing my hair dyeing shirt. But my hair's not really blonde right now, the roots are. But the rest of my hair is still pretty teal, and well, you see, as much as I love this teal, it's very, very pretty. I'm really bored with it, and it's not coming out as fast as I want it to. Like, I would really prefer if it was gone now so I could change to the next color. But we're gonna keep it in the same color spectrum, and we're gonna kind of have a little fun and do a little experiment and just see what happens if I put some lime green hair dye over this teal, because there's parts that are blonde throughout the hair and are white, so I'm kind of hoping that it will kind of mellow and be cute and be like a mermaid, sea foamy, green and blue hair thing. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to Disney and I really want to have a new hair color for pictures, so if it's not good, I'll wear a wig. If it looks good, I'll wear my hair. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is I'm actually going to brush my hair, because if you guys couldn't tell, my hair is a lion's mane and it knots so easily. So let me go brush it real quick. You don't want to watch me brush my hair because it's honestly painful. So now that I have brushed on my hair and it looks like a knockoff Rockstar Wigs Rhapsody wig, it's time to start dyeing. As you know, brushing your hair and getting all the knots out helps make an easier application and a smoother application and make sure it's more even. So we're gonna start mixing our dye. I'm going in with the lime green from Colorista. A friend of mine, David, I will link his Insta and stuff down. He is a local photographer. He's super cool. He bought me this hair dye one day, brought it to my work, and he called me by my full name, and everyone knows me by my nickname, Kat. So they actually sent him away first, and then I was like, no, I'm at work, please bring it back. So now I have the hair dye. It was on sale at Target, and he was like, do you ever think about doing lime green? And I'm like, why not? Let's try it. You know, it should be fun. And I think it'll look really pretty mixed with this teal. So, all right, got the box finally open. I've never used their brand of hair dye before, so let's see how this goes. I think I might try to do a pastel-y type thing, and this is nice. It actually comes with a little brush. I'm not gonna use that, but that's really nice that they do that. Let's see, yeah. I am always going to mix it with shampoo like I always do, because I would like it to be a lighter shade and not as intense. So yeah, I wonder if this comes with, oh yes, it comes with gloves. Oh, it comes with multiple gloves in just one pair. That's good, because I forgot to get gloves, guys. I'm out of gloves. I used the last of them when I did my roots, so this helps. Okay, so I'm gonna get my gloves on so I don't stain my hands, so I don't have green hands at Disney World, because that's no fun. Even though I am going to Disneyland being one of the aliens from Toy Story, so the green matches, but your girl doesn't want green hands. And these are actually not that bad at gloves. Usually like the gloves that come in dye packs are really annoying and like sticky, but these aren't that bad. They're just like nice black gloves. They slide right on, not too tight. A lot of the gloves are too tight on my hands, but I got fat fingers, so that's why. Alright, I'm gonna take my conditioner, and yes, I got conditioner this time, guys. Not shampoo like the time before. Oh my god, that was the absolute worst. And I'm just gonna pour it into this bowl. I kind of hate using this bowl because it's a little too small and doesn't hold as much as I need for my hair. But your girl didn't get anything else, so this is what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna pour in some conditioner. Try to make enough that will cover your hair, but you can mix more later. So I'm gonna pour about that much in, and we're gonna go in with the dye. I wonder if there's a cap over it first. What is it? Nope, okay. So can we, we just go right in. It is a green color. You can see that green. Ooh, look at that. That's nice, that's nice. We'll do about a half a tube. How about that? I don't know how this is gonna work. We're gonna see. This could be a disaster, but your girl, I have hope that I'm not going to ruin my hair, question mark. But yeah, I'm excited. I haven't tried this brand before, so we're gonna see how it works. Ooh, that is a very pretty color. Ooh, if my hair like comes out with this in it, that will be beautiful. I will be so happy. Look at that. Oh. This is literally perfect Toy Story alien green. Oh my gosh. This is exciting. Okay, I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited. Alright, so I have my hair completely covered. It is drenched in this green. We're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna wrap it around my head and we're gonna put it with this plastic bag that my lovely assistant.
It sounds slimy.
And wrap it up. And now I won't get green hair dye everywhere. And I'll see you when it's rinsed out.
I got 4 birds on my back.
Hey guys, I'm green. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with this. I can't even. I didn't even know that it was gonna come out this good. Oh my god, I'm living for it. I'm living for it. I thought it was going to be a disaster, honestly. There's a few parts like on top here. It is a lighter yellowy green, but honestly, it doesn't even bother me because I think it looks super cute. I'm like a slime witch. Like, oh, look how cute I look. Oh my gosh, like, I am so green. It is so cute, and honestly it fits so perfect with my Toy Story Alien Disney bound. Look at it right here. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. I love it more than I thought I would. I never thought I would be doing neon green in my life. What is happening? What am I doing? Like, I'm doing all these colors I never thought with my hair, but I am so obsessed with it. I think I look super cute. I am just happy. I am so excited, just becoming all this beautiful rainbow of hair. It's just cute and I love it. I'm sorry, I'm just really excited about it. I think it's super cute. Again, I'm sorry, it's kind of a couple days after I filmed and I was at Disney walking around with it, so it's not the neatest, but this is the color it is. I love it. I just feel super cute. Okay, I'm sorry, I need to calm down. It is just hair. It is just hair, but it's cute and vibrant, and I just it's just perfect. I am so happy with how this came out. I'm a big fan of the color. Thank you again so much, David, for buying me this hair dye and convincing me to do a color I never thought I would do because I love it so much. It is so cute. So I hope you guys like this hair experiment that I did. If you like this type of video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because you guys know I'm trying to get to 1,000 by the end of the year and I really think we can do it. That would just be so rad. So all your support would just mean so much to me. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!